Today's video tutorial, I'll show you how you can pair up the Apple AirPods, whether it's Gen 1 or Gen 2, with a Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Turbo phone model or any of the other Redmi Note 12 phones. And you'll also be able to get the pop-up animation with a particular app known as Andropods. Okay, so look for it in the Play Store and let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure this has battery life, as well as make sure it is not already connected to another device, because once you open up the case lid, it's going to automatically reconnect to that previously paired device. Now that it's open and not connected to no other device, go ahead and leave the case lid open. At the back of the case, you'll see this button here that you're going to hold down for at least 5 seconds long, okay? And as you start to hold it down, starting now, you hold it and you'll see this white blinking light, okay? And just keep holding it until it blinks for like 3 more times. And once it does that, let it go. Keep the case lid open all the time. And now on the Xiaomi phone here, we're going to go into the Bluetooth settings and pair it up. So you'll look for the Bluetooth, long press it. That'll take you here. Go ahead and turn that on. And it's going to start searching for nearby devices. Make sure this is still blinking white. If not, go ahead and do it again so that it can start up in the pairing mode. When you see AirPods, tap on it one time. It's going to say pairing. You'll need to allow it, so pair it up. And wait for it. And if it doesn't connect the first time, just repeat it again. But when it's fully connected, it's going to say that it's connected and active and all that stuff. You can tap here on the arrow pointing to the right, and you can enable it for phone calls and media audio, just in case you didn't get it yet. All right. Now, with all that said and done, it's time for you to go ahead and set up the pop-up animation. And if you want to do that, that's up to you, but you don't need it to use your AirPods. So you can end the video. But if you're interested in it, go ahead and look for it in the Play Store. It's this app here in particular, known as Andropods, okay? And once you have it fully installed, you can go into the app itself. This is going to show up, being that it's your very first time using it. You'll go to Show Overlays, and then of course you'll come here to Andropods. And go ahead and turn it on to allow it to do the overlays, which is basically telling it that you are allowing it to do the pop-up animation. Then you'll come back here again and give it permission to the Bluetooth. And then of course, allow all the time. Now that you're here in the app itself, you want to activate service and then allow all the time. Then you want to choose the model. So in some cases, it may be set to another one, but you want to set it to AirPods 1 and 2. Okay, so make sure it's set to that and be sure these 3 are enabled. Once you've done that correctly, you should be able to get the pop-up animation. This is the free version, by the way, so you don't need to pay for it to get the pop-up animation if that's all you wanted to do and see a battery status of your AirPods. As I open it up like this here, just give it a few seconds and wait for the pop-up animation to show up. Once it shows up, you'll see a battery reading like this here. All right. And then when you take it out, you should get the battery reading of the AirPods only. So just wait for it to just load up. It's going to register the AirPods only. All right. If it doesn't, you can tap here like that and see if that's going to show up. If not, put it back in the case and then remove them again. And then that should show you the AirPods itself a second time. Okay. And that's that. If you don't like it, you can go back to the app itself, turn off the service, or if you want, just uninstall the app. Like and sub.